and we're looking at 0.9 here as a fraction. So again, we're going from, this is from a decimal, so 0.9 is a decimal as indicated by this decimal point, into a fraction. So how do we convert a decimal to a fraction? Well, it's very, very easy. And what we can do firstly is we can look at the giveaway here is the decimal in itself. So if you look at the decimal here, I have 0.9. As you can see, this 0 is the whole part. So it's a 0, so we don't care about it. But we care about this decimal part here because this is going to make it the fraction part. And again, as you can see, this 0.9 is in the tens digit in the decimal. So our denominator, is going to be the denominator of 10, and the numerator is simply whatever the decimal is. So in this case here, this guy here is 9. So in this case, 0.9 equals 9 over 10. And this here is our answer for this problem. I can't not reduce 9 over 10 into its lowest terms because 9 and 10 there's no greatest common factor of 9 or 10 here. It's just itself here. So in this case, we don't have to reduce. So we say therefore 0.9 as a fraction is 9 over 10. And this here is our solution for this problem. And this here, as you can see, 0.9 and 10. 0.9 is 9 over 10 as a fraction. This solution is correct.